Hey YouTube, how's everybody doing today? Just wanted to get in here and share this with you. I've been thinking about this video for a long time now and decided today was as good a day as any because it's about 50 degrees outside. The sun keeps popping in and out from behind the clouds, and it's not a bad day at all. Wanted to do it yesterday, but things just didn't work out, so today's as good a day as any. But what you're looking at is a cast iron pot that I had found about 2 years ago. Somebody was throwing out to the trash, and I just could not believe that somebody would throw a good piece of cast iron out like that. And so in good conscience, I just couldn't let it pass. I grabbed it, brought it home with me, and as you can see, it's pretty rusty, but it can be brought back usable life. And once I clean it up, then I'll have a good piece of cast iron cookware to add to my collection. So what I want to share with you today is this little pot hook that I made. And as you can see, it's made out of a clothes hanger. I just clipped the little diagonal ends, folded these with a couple pairs of channel locks to make these two little hooks, and they work great. Excuse me while I get hold of it here. Hook them underneath your pot handle, and as you can see, just one finger. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, but you know, it's really sturdy. It works great. So what you do then is you use it in conjunction with your tripod, and you'll pick the spot on your chain where you want to hook it in at. You hook it in to get the right height over your fire, and it's just a great little piece of hardware. I'm going to be making a couple more of these, and you know, they're really handy. I've been meaning to do this for a while, so I finally got around to it, and I just wanted to share it with you today. Now, I want y'all to keep watching my channel, because here pretty soon I'm going to be coming up with some other hooks that I'm going to be making, some little S hooks, and I'm going to be putting those out here for too long, because I've not only decided that I can use them with my chain like this on a tripod over fire, but I have another idea for something where they'll be quite usable and very handy for when you're cooking over a campfire. So hit the thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be kept up to date on when my next video comes out, and y'all stay tuned, because I do have a lot more good content coming this way. So y'all have a nice day, take care, and we'll see y'all again really soon.